Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to apply for PSET 2021 with online counseling and also the latest update from PSET 2021. So most of you are watching my videos without subscribing, then please subscribe and continue watching. So without further late, let's get into the video. So what you have to do, just open your Google and type TS PSET 2021. After entering that will redirect you on this page. So you can see here, to register for GATE GPAT, go through the below link. Click here for GPAT or GATE or GPAT registration. Click here for TSPSET 2021 admission. So you have to click on this link. When you click on this link, it will redirect you to this page. So you can see here, step to be followed. So these are the step by step procedure to apply for admission into the master's course. So first you have to register. So first it will show you the registration process. Then you have to create login with some login ID and with login ID and password you have to create. Then pay processing fee. For general category you have to pay 1200. For SC/ST they have to pay 600 rupees. Then you have to upload original certificates. So note that original certificate you can't upload Xerox any duplicate copy. You have to upload original certificate. Here they have mentioned clearly, upload original certificates. Then preliminary online certificate verification, then excise web options, then seat allotment, then download fee payment challan and joining report, then report to the allotted college along with original certificates, fee paid challan and joining report. Then verification of original certificate at the allotted college, then receive allotment order at the college. So these are the step by step procedure you have to follow for applying for getting admission into any of the master courses. So first of all, we will see the new update is they have released this list of colleges for ME MTech courses and list of colleges offering Pharma D post bachelorate courses and list of colleges offering MA architecture courses. So first we will see list of colleges offering ME or MTech courses. So these are the colleges they have given with college code, college name and college address and district and name of the course and specialization and education type, that is co-ed or single, then minority, and then seat intake type, then college type, then tuition fee per annum and tuition fee per semester, how much they are charging. They have mentioned each and everything, and university in which OU or JNTU, in which university they will come under, and then remarks and college website. So they have provided each and every information. So you can see college names and address: Kukatpalli JNTUH, this is Nachupalli, Kodialam JNTUH campus Kukatpalli. They have mentioned all the college names with college address, and so you can see this is the University College of Technology, Usman University. So it comes under OU. So you likewise you can check each and every college and university and fee per annum and per semester. You can check here. And if you want full details for that particular, you can college website. The last column right on right side you can see college website. So you can simply type on Google and you can visit that website and you can check full information about a particular interest. If you are interested in that college, you can check with the help of these links. Bhadradri and Suryapet, Hyderabad, all they have mentioned. So you can, by scrolling down, you can see number of colleges they have mentioned. Like they have mentioned about 355 college list they have. So total of 355 colleges they have mentioned in this website. So you can check each and every college with the details, with fees. So this is the best option to see. So next we will see the list of colleges offering MPharm courses. So this is the list of colleges offering MPharm courses for the academic year 2021 and 2022. So you can see the college name, same like MTech, MPharm, how they have mentioned all the things. Likewise same for MPharm courses also. So college code, serial number, college code, college name, college address, district and course code, then name of the course MPharm, then specialization pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutics. This is for JNTU, JNTUH Institute of Science and Technology, then co-ed. They have mentioned education type, then seat intake, 10 seats, intake type and college type, university. Then tuition fee per annum 90,000. They have mentioned tuition fee per semester 45,000. University comes under JNTU. Then the college website they have mentioned. So each and every college they have mentioned for M Pharma. Then you're going to see here Anurag Pharmacy College, Anantagiri, and all the address they have mentioned Suryapet and specializes in pharmaceutics, M Pharm and co-ed 9 seats, 1,10,000. Like how they have mentioned for each and every college, so you can check from this website. So total of they have mentioned is let us see. So they have mentioned each and every college detail with fee. So total 259 colleges they have mentioned here in this website. So you can see for fee type they have mentioned reg means regular, with SF means self finance with AICTE fellowship, then SFI. So you can see here abbreviations. Note GPAT candidates are not eligible for reimbursement of tuition fee, and Pharma D postgraduate candidates are not eligible for AICTE scholarship. And college type, if it is UNIV, then that is university, and AFF means affiliation. So universities they have mentioned Jawaharlal Nehru Technology University of Hyderabad, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad, Telangana, Kakatiya University, Warangal, Usman University, Main Road, Hyderabad, Telangana, and Palamuru University and Shatavahana University, and MM means Muslim minority. So these are the abbreviations. So you can select any of the college by going through all the procedures and all the details of the location, and you can go through with the per annum tuition fee per annum and tuition fee per semester and university and all the things. After cross checking all the things, you guys select one of the college. And so this is the list of colleges offering PharmD post baccalaureate courses academic year 2021 to 2022. They have also mentioned serial numbers, college code, and college name, that is Bharat School of Pharmacy, college address Mangalpalli, V. Ibrahimpatnam, Rangareddy, District Rangareddy, Medchal, Hyderabad, the Deccan School of Pharmacy. You can see here, and course code they have mentioned name of the course PharmD post baccalaureate, and specialization PharmD post baccalaureate, and education type co-ed, and seats intake 10, intake type regular, college type affiliated, tuition fee per annum 68,000 per annum, and university is JNTUH. So you can see likewise remarks and college website they have mentioned all this website and college name. You can also see here MESCO College of Pharmacy, and Shadan College of Pharmacy, Sri Datta Institute of Pharmacy, St. Paul's College of Pharmacy, Sultanulum College of Pharmacy. So they have mentioned up to 25 colleges they are offering for this admission into post baccalaureate PharmD post baccalaureate course. If you talk about list of colleges offering M architecture courses, so you can see they have provided 10 colleges. So these are the list of colleges offering M architect courses for the academic year 2021 to 2022. So college code they have given here, and college name, college address Mahavir Marg, Masab Tank, and Hyderabad district, course code, and name of the course M architects, and specialization interior design, environmental design, and construction management. All the things they have mentioned. Co-education, education type minority, seats intake 20, intake type college type, tuition fee per annum 70,000, and tuition fee per semester is 35,000, and university comes under JF. And college website they have mentioned here, so you can select. So the total they have 10 colleges. So same like how they have mentioned the abbreviations. GATE candidates are not eligible for reimbursement of tuition fee, all the things they have mentioned, so you can check from that. And so this is about the all colleges list of college offering MTech, M.Pharm, PharmD, M Architecture, and ME college list they have given today. They have provided all these details, and let us go to the application link to apply for this. So what you have to do, same page, on same page you have to click on this apply for online verification. So when you click on that, it will show you this page, login here page. What you have to enter is your GPAT or GATE registration number or TSPSET hall ticket number. Here you have to enter your hall ticket number, then your rank, TSPSET rank or GPAT or GATE rank you have to enter, and you have to press this login button. After logging in, it will give you some instruction to upload documents, how to upload documents. So read carefully before up. So let us eligibility to the online counseling is based on the documents uploaded. Okay. Take utmost care while uploading the documents. Make sure every document image upload is clear and visible. This is the most important thing. Clear and visible documents you have to upload. Then preview the document image before uploading to the website. So before directly uploading to the website, just preview it whether it is clear and visible and all the details are looking clearly or not. Then document image size must be greater than 100 KB. It should be 100 KB. Must be greater than 100 KB and less than 500 KB. So make sure that it is not exceeding 500 KB. Document image resolution must be within 1500 pixel width and 1500 pixel height. Remove any unwanted space or things around the document in this image, so that you have to crop the image so it will get clear cut image. So when you scroll down, it is also give you important certificates to upload. So I have made a full video on these documents required for PSET. I will provide the link in the description box, but it is showing these things. So let us see one by one. So first thing that you have to upload is GATE or GPAT score card, PSET rank card, or SSC 10th. And the second thing is SSC 10th or its equivalent marks memo. It should be original. Intermediate 10+2 memo come pass certificate or its equivalent. Then fourth thing is qualifying degree consolidated marks memo, that is CMM. Then fifth thing is qualifying provisional or original qualifying degree certificate, that is your PC. Then sixth thing is study certificate from 10th class to qualifying degree. Then seventh thing is resident certificate, and for eighth resident. So you have to read each and everything, so you will get a clear idea about this. So you have to upload this caste certificate. Then candidates claiming Muslim and Christianity minority should upload the TC of the SSC containing minority status, or in the absence of TC, a certificate mentioning minority status issued by the head of the institute in which the student studied or appeared for SSC or equivalent examination. The special category certificate, NCC, CAP and PH sports. Then latest parental income certificate if applicable. Then latest EWS certificate. And after reading all the instruction, you have to press this I accept button. Okay. When you click this I accept button, it will show you this page, will show you how to upload correctly. So the correct scanned copy image accepted. If you upload like this without any extra page, clear and visible with equal size with greater than 100 KB and below 500 KB image size with 1500 pixel length and width, then they will accept it. If you upload like this, incorrect scanned copy image is rejected. If you upload like this small image like this, or blur image which is not clearly visible, then unwanted space in the image, this unwanted space you can see the upper side and the lower. So if you upload like this, it becomes under incorrect scanned copy and they will reject your certificate. So after seeing all these details, after going through all these details, after checking all this, you have to press this I accept button. So when you click that I accept, it will redirect you to on this page. So you can see TSPSET 2021 admissions, Telangana State Council of Higher Education. So here register here, it will show you all the details with step-by-step procedure. First you have to register, then you have to pay, then qualification details, then local area and category, minority, other details. You have to go through all the step-by-step procedure. So the registration process will be successful. Candidate name, it will see here, show here, then mother name it will show here, and parental income per fee reimbursement, it will show you some 3 options. Parental income below 1 lakh or above 2 lakhs, they will mention here, you have to select from that. Then mobile number, see your mobile number, correct your check your mobile number, then day, month and year wise they will show you the date of birth. Then local area, OU, then category, it will show you father's name, then gender and minority. You have to put this parental income thing, and you have to fill this Aadhaar number. Then you have to create your login password and confirm password. So after putting this password, you have to press this save and next. So it will show you here, enter OTP which is sent to your mobile number, and email ID you have to put, it will show you your email ID. Then you have to mobile OTP which comes on your mobile and email OTP, and you have to press this verify. So after completing all this registration process, it will show you the pay fee process. Please note down the payment transaction ID for future reference. So please note down the payment transaction ID for future reference. So it will give you your hall ticket number here and candidate name and category and payment transaction ID. This is a payment transaction ID in green color, so you have to note down this for future reference. And fee to be paid, so it is showing 1200. Then you have this on pay now. Check all these details and press this pay now. And when you press that on pay now, it will show you the credit card, debit card, and internet banking, QR code, UPI option. If you select this credit card option, then it will show you the pay by credit card, Visa card, or card number, expiry date, year, CVV, CVC number, card holder name, and check the amount 1200, and then press on this make payment. So this is a step-by-step steps to be followed. It is create login, payment ID, and upload original certificate. So after payment, it will show you the upload original certificate. You have to upload their original certificate. Then preliminary online certificate verification will be done. Exercise web options, it will show you seat allotment and all the things. It will go step by step. So this is the information. And if you have any queries, then you can sub this technical support number they have given. Timing is 10 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. In between this time, you can WhatsApp they have any queries. So yes, this is a technical support number 040719030016. So issue of notification, first original online registration comes verification online payment along with uploading scanned copy of certificate. You have to complete this procedure before 18th of October. So before 18th of October, you have to complete up to uploading original certificate steps. So hope you guys find this video informative. For more updates like this, subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.